Today I will be telling you how to check multiple links at once with the help of an extension. First of all, we'll go to the Chrome Web Store and search for bulk URL opener. You can choose this one. So far this is the best extension you can use. Once you tap on it, you need to add it to Chrome. Add extension. As you can see, your extension appears here. Just pin it so that you can always see it on the screen. Now, since I have to check multiple links at once, I just need to tap on this, paste all the multiple links here and tap on open links. You can see all the links have opened. This tool works like a pro, works very best when you have to check multiple links at once.
Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such informational videos.